If you are an iPhone user and worried about iPhone battery dies so fast, so I have some tips for you so you can improve battery life. So watch my video till the end. Hello guys and welcome to iTechTips. So number 1 is location services. Your iPhone keep track of everywhere you go, which uses your GPS, and they can deliver relevant advertising to you, and it's supposed to make your experience better. So go to settings, scroll down to privacy and location services. So turn it off. It saves a lot of battery. Number 2 is fetch new data. Go to settings, scroll down to password and account, tab on fetch new data. I recommended always turning off push. So with push on, your iPhone is always connected to your mail servers and iCloud. You can save a lot of battery by turning off push and click on manually. Number 3, background app refresher. Go to settings, tab on general, tab on background app refresh. Background app refresh allows certain apps to download data in the background even when you are not using them. So I recommend going through this list and turning off background app refresher for the apps that don't need to download data when you are not using them. Click on this and tab on off. Number 4, use AutoBrightness. Go to settings, scroll down to accessibility, tab on display and text. In the bottom you can see auto brightness. Leave auto brightness on, which actually adjusts the brightness based on ambient light. However, if you leave that on, it controls yourself and you will get the best battery life. Number 5, use low power mode. Go to settings, scroll down to battery, tab on low power mode. Low power mode optimize brightness and bring all the brightness down, but it actually slows the phone down to save power. It will reduce the amount of power that the processor is using. It reduces animation, it stops fetching mail and saves a lot of battery. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.